Hello.
Yes, I want borrow a hammer.
You want to borrow a hammer?
Yes, but I'm not sure how it work here.
You're not sure how it works here? No problem. Just show your ID and sign this form.
How long I can keep the hammer?
How long can I keep the hammer? You can keep it for 3 days.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Good luck with your project.
Hello.
Hi, are you new to the dog park?
Yes, I bring my dog, but I not know the rules.
You don't know the rules? No problem. Dogs must be friendly and stay on leash at the gate.
Can my dog play with other dogs?
Yes, your dog can play if he is gentle.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to be here.
Have fun. Your dog will love it.
Hello.
Hi, do you need help with your bike?
Yes, I need pump for my tire.
You need a pump for your tire?
Yes, but I not bring my own pump.
You didn't bring your own pump? No problem. You can use this one here.
Thank you. How I use it?
How do I use it? Just put the pump on the tire and push up and down.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Good luck with your ride.
Hello.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I want to know if art supplies are free.
You want to know if art supplies are free? Yes, you can take what you need.
I can take some paper and colors?
Can I take some paper and colors? Yes, please take what you need, but leave some for others.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to make art.
That's great. Enjoy your creativity.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to our food truck. How can I help you?
I want to know if you have vegan food.
You want to know if we have vegan food? Yes, we have vegan burgers and salads.
Vegan burger have cheese?
Does the vegan burger have cheese? No, it has no cheese.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I want try vegan burger.
Great choice. Enjoy your meal.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Makerspace. How can I help you?
I want know about 3D printing class.
You want to know about 3D printing classes? Yes, we have classes every Saturday.
I not use 3D printer before.
You have not used a 3D printer before? That's okay. Beginners are welcome.
How much cost the class?
How much does the class cost? It is $10.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Hope to see you in class.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the seed swap. Can I help you?
Yes, I want take some seeds.
You want to take some seeds? Yes, you can choose any seeds you like.
I not bring seeds to give.
You didn't bring seeds to give? That's okay. You can bring some next time.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to start my garden.
That's wonderful. Good luck with your plants.
Hello?
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I want know if I can use rainwater.
You want to know if you can use rainwater? Yes, you can take some for your garden.
I not use rainwater before.
You have not used rainwater before? It's easy. Just fill your container here.
Is rainwater good for plants?
Yes, rainwater is very good for plants.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Enjoy your gardening.
Hello.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I lose my water bottle.
You lost your water bottle? What does it look like?
It is blue and has my name.
Let me check. Is this your bottle?
Yes, that is mine. Thank you.
You're welcome. Be careful next time.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Have a nice day.